To begin, make a chain of 14 stitches, then skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, go through the 4th chain, you go through 2 loops of the 4th chain, make a double crochet, make another double crochet in the same chain space, the skipped chain 3 plus 2 double crochets in the same stitch, those are 3 double crochets. In the next 9 chain spaces, make 1 double crochet into each one of them, still going through 2 loops. 1, go to the next chain space, going through 2 loops, make a double crochet. This is 2. Continue until you make 9 double crochets. After making 9 double crochets across, I have 1 chain space remaining. I'm making 6 double crochets in the same chain space. This is 1 double crochet. This is 2 double crochets in the same chain space. Continue until you have 6 double crochets in the same chain space. Once you have the 6 double crochets in the same chain space, make 9 double crochets going back to the beginning. 1 double crochet into every stitch until you make 9 going to the beginning. This is 1. Go to the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. This is 2. Continue until you make 9. Then in this chain space where I made 3 double crochets, make 3 others to make them 6 in the same chain space. This is 1, 2, and 3 double crochets in the same chain space to make them 6. Slip stitch into the chain 3 we skipped, 1, 2, 3. Go through the 2 loops of the chain 3 and slip stitch. To begin the next round, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. The chain 3 is counted as a double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same stitch where I slip stitched to make them 2. In the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochets into each one of them. This is 1 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. In the next 9 stitches, 1 double crochet into each one of them. 1 double crochet, go to the second stitch, 1 double crochet, go to the third stitch, 1 double crochet, continue until you make 9 double crochets. After making 9 double crochets across, in the next 6 stitches, make 2 double crochets into each one of them. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Repeat until you finish all the 6 stitches. Once you finish the 6 stitches, making 2 double crochets into each one of them, the remaining stitches repeat what we did this side, following the pattern on the screen. Then slip stitch into the first double crochet to complete the round. To begin the next round, chain 1. Chain 1 is counted as a single crochet. And this is where I will slip stitch at the end of the round. In the same stitch where I slip stitched and chained 1, make 1 single crochet to make them to the chain 1 and 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make only 1 single crochet. The next stitch, 2 single crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next 6 stitches, 1 single crochet into each one of them. 1 single crochet, go to the second stitch, 1 single crochet, go to the third stitch, 1 single crochet, go to the fourth stitch, 1 single crochet, go to the fifth stitch, 1 single crochet, go to the sixth stitch, 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. In the next 5 stitches, 1 double crochet into each one of them. 1 double crochet, go to the second stitch, 1 double crochet, go to the third stitch, 1 double crochet, go to the 4th stitch, 1 double crochet, go to the 5th stitch, 1 double crochet. In the next 12 stitches, you are going to make increases, but not in every stitch. You increase in one stitch, the next you don't increase. Do that 6 times. So in this next stitch, 2 double crochets, this is 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. The next stitch, make only 1 double crochet. I count that as 1 set. Make 5 more sets to complete the 12 stitches. After completing the 6 sets, the remaining stitches, repeat what we did this side, following the pattern on the screen. At the end of the round, slip stitch in this next stitch after this stitch marker. You go through these 2 loops and slip stitch. Then pick 1 loop where you slip stitched. Each stitch has 2 loops. We are going to pick 1 loop only. I'm picking the 1 loop facing away from me, leaving the one facing this side. Where I slip stitched, I'm picking 1 loop and make a single crochet. Then I'm marking it to know where my row will end. Go to the next stitch, you pick 1 loop only, the back loops, make a single crochet. Go to the next stitch, you pick 1 loop only, make a single crochet, and repeat that until the end. You make 1 single crochet all round. I have made 52 single crochets. Then slip stitch into the first single crochet, which I marked. Now you go through 2 loops, not 1 loop. The next row I'm using black, so I'm using this black to slip stitch. Tie the loose end of black to the yarn I was working with to secure it. Chain 1, make 1 single crochet in the same stitch where I slip stitched. Go along with these loose ends to weave them in. Make a single crochet. This is 1. Go to the next stitch, make a single crochet. Continue until you make 13 single crochets. Now we're running through 2 loops, not 1 loop. You make 13 single crochets. The next 26 stitches, make 26 double crochets. This is 1. Go to the next, make a double crochet. This is 2. Continue until you make 26 double crochets. The remaining 13 stitches, you make 13 single crochets. At the end, slip stitch into the first single crochet. The next round I'm using white, so I will slip stitch using white. Tie this white loose end to the black yarn I was working with. Go along with these loose ends. Chain 1. In the same stitch where I slip stitched, make a single crochet. And continue making 1 single crochet into every stitch until you come back to the beginning. You make 1 single crochet into every stitch across. At the end, slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 1, make 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Go to the next, make a single crochet. Continue making 1 single crochet until you have 13 single crochets. After making 13 single crochets across, we are going to make 13 decreases by crocheting 2 stitches together, making double crochet decreases across. To make a double crochet decrease, yarn over, go through the next stitch, draw a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 only. You don't complete the double crochet. Yarn over, go through the next stitch, draw a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 only. Now I have 3 remaining. Yarn over, draw through all the 3. I have crocheted 2 stitches together. I'm going to do that 13 times. Yarn over, go through the next stitch, draw a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 only. Yarn over, go through the next stitch, draw a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 only. When I have 3 loops on my crochet hook, yarn over, draw through all the 3. I have crocheted another 2 stitches together. I have crocheted 2 stitches together 2 times. Repeat that 11 more times for a total of 13 times. After making 13 decreases, the remaining 13 stitches, make 1 single crochet into every stitch until the end. Then slip stitch into the first single crochet to close the round. The next row 5, make 1 single crochet into every stitch across. Row 6, you make a decrease row following the pattern on the screen. I will meet you at the end of row 6. This is what I have at the end of round 6. Following this straight line, I'm leaving 12 stitches at the front here. For the right shoe, I will attach my yarn here. Chain 1 to fasten. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Continue making 1 double crochet into every stitch. Continue making 1 double crochet into every stitch until you get to the marked stitch. 1 double crochet into every stitch until you get to this marked stitch. I will remove it. Make 1 double crochet. Then chain 15. 1, 2. After chaining 15, skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Go through the 4th chain. Make a double crochet. Go to the next chain. Make a double crochet. That is 2. And continue making 1 double crochet into every chain space until the end. I have made 12 double crochets along the chain. Then I will slip stitch where I made the last double crochet. Then slip stitch into every stitch across all the way round, including this strap, until you get to this end. At the end, you slip stitch into the first slip stitch, cut and weave in the loose ends. Then for the left shoe, I will attach my yarn here, chain 15. After chaining 15, skip 3 chains. In the 4th chain, make a double crochet and continue making a double crochet until you complete this chain space. After making 12 double crochets across the chain, then continue making double crochets. You skip this stitch where we attached this yarn, go to the next end, make a double crochet, go along with this loose end, continue making 1 double crochet into every stitch, Going to the marked stitch, you make 1 double crochet into every stitch. When you get to the marked stitch, remove to work 1 double crochet, slip stitch. When you get back, you cut and hide the loose ends. To make this button, you double this yarn, make a magic ring, then make 6 single crochets in the magic ring. 1, 2, continue until you make 6. After making 6 single crochets, you pull to close the magic ring, slip stitch into the first single crochet, use this needle to take this yarn to the center where I have this loop from the magic ring. Then tie the 2 pieces. You make a chain of 11 stitches, skip the first chain, go into the second chain and make a single crochet. Continue making 1 single crochet into every stitch across, so you will make 10 single crochets in total. Then from row 2 to row 5, you chain 1, make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. This is 1. Make 10 single crochets across. At the end, you chain 1 and continue making 1 single crochet until you have 5 rows. After making 5 rows, for the button, I will attach it here. I will attach it in this row, first row of decreases. These 2 double crochets crocheted together. At the top here, this row of single crochets. That marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like my video. Then I will see you in the next tutorial.